The city of Kingston and the city-state of Gibraltar share several common links. According to local government minister Desmond McKenzie, these links are creating opportunities for mutually beneficial commercial and cultural exchange, particularly for heritage, tourism and sports. Mr. McKenzie was speaking following Mayor of Gibraltar's courtesy call to his ministry. The city-state of Gibraltar is a self-governing British overseas territory which has a sister-city twinning relationship with Jamaica.
The history of Gibraltar and Jamaica goes way back, and as a country we are proud that we were able to be a part of any program that assisted the people of Gibraltar. And we will definitely benefit from the experience of their local government system based on what they have. We know that there are ideas that we will share and there are going to be benefits, whether in terms of the cultural benefits or just the experience.
The mayor of Gibraltar, whose term ends this year, said she was personally moved on visiting the University of the West Indies UWI Museum and the Gibraltar camp. Jamaica was one of the countries that provided a safe haven for the Gibraltar civilian population in the 1940s when the British territory was evacuated and fortified against the possibility of a German attack. They were housed at Gibraltar camp on what is now part of the Mona campus of the University of the West Indies. Kingston's Mayor Delroy Williams, who led a Jamaican delegation to Gibraltar in 2018 for the signing of the Sister City Agreement, added that the historical, cultural and socio-economical ties between the two municipalities are significant.
That must be a major part of what the city is. It has to be prominent in the city. So we are basically, in our transformation of the city, we want to bring the history alive. And to have started this with Gibraltar and to be propelled by that, it's as if it is laying the platform for us to move on.
Gibraltar's mayor and her team also toured the Bob Marley Museum, the St. William Grand Park in downtown Kingston, Port Royal, and also stopped in Crossroads to lay a wreath honoring those who lost their lives in World War II.